The MBM program provides a comprehensive curriculum which, in addition to the 4 core courses, enables the students to select from a range of electives or focus on one of 3 themes: business innovation, digital business and sustainable business practice. We chose these focus areas in consultation with business and industry to address the contemporary challenges and evolving needs of the business landscape and to equip students with the skills and knowledge required to excel in their careers.
Some of the challenges facing businesses today and in the future are the rapid pace of change that's coming in a variety of different ways. It's in climate, it's in digital technologies, it's in social norms, and it's in talent and leadership. And so it becomes important for them to be able to innovate at a rapid pace and learn how to experiment and move in a very agile way.
Having knowledge in these areas can help students navigate these challenges. Today, organizations are seeking to hire micro-entrepreneurs who can provide innovative solutions within the organization. They are seeking to hire people who are agile, adaptive, and build sustainable solutions for their clients.
The practical component of the MBM program is the cornerstone of the curriculum. Companies who partner with us provide projects that align with the program's learning objectives, providing students with hands-on experience and real-world applications of their learning.
For me, it's absolutely critical that graduates have skills in sustainability because they're going to need them no matter what role they're in. So they really have to have an understanding of sustainability, and it's fantastic if degrees like MBM offer that already.
Innovation has shifted from being something that is contained in a single area or in a single leader. Innovation is something that every leader needs to be able to facilitate. The way that AUT's MBM program is being designed to help the students become more innovative and entrepreneurial, and the diversity of the skill sets that they have will help create the future layer of leaders. Those are the kind of people that we have been working with from AUT, and those are the kind of people that we want more of in the future.